Problem number 1. How can you use the table to find the unit rate in the example problem? So to find the unit rate, we're going to take our first point where it costs $3 for 2 packets, and we're going to divide. So we're going to divide $3 by 2 packets. If we do that, $3 divided by 2 equals $1.50. It costs $1.50 per packet. Problem number 2. What is the constant of proportionality in the example? So the constant of proportionality is 150. You can see that in the graph where it says 1 and 150. It says, what is the slope of the graph? The slope is also 150. It says, what do they represent in the context? So in this context, it represents that it costs $1.50 per packet. It also asks, how do the constant of proportionality and slope relate to the unit rate? The constant of proportionality and the slope are the same as the unit rate. Problem number 3. The table shows how many words Julian can type if he types at a steady rate. Use the information in the table to make a graph. Find the slope of the graph and explain what it means in this situation. So we're going to plot 2 and 80. We're going to plot 4 and 160. 6 and 240. And 8 and 320. So you can see that if we were to plot our points, we can draw a straight line. And so it tells us to find the slope. So if you look, we're going to take our point, 2 over 80, and write our slope, rise over run. So it's going to be 80 over 2. 80 divided by 2 is 40. Our slope is 40, and it stands for 40 words per minute, because again, it's the unit rate, 40 words per minute. Problem number 4. The price for a movie tickets at Town Theater is shown in the graph. The price of 5 movie tickets at Center Theater is $3.75 greater than the price of 5 movie tickets at Town Theater. What is the price per ticket at each theater? So we have Town Theater, and we need to find the unit rate. So Town Theater, it tells us one ticket is $6, so it's $6 per ticket. It then tells us that after 5 tickets, which costs $30, Center Theater is $3.75 cheaper. So 5 tickets at Center Theater is $33.75. I added my 30 and my 375. Now, to find the unit rate, the cost per ticket for Center Theater, we're going to divide. So we're going to take $33.75 and divide it by 5. If you do $33.75 divided by 5, you end up with $6.75. So the Center Theater costs $6.75 per ticket. Problem number 5. A hardware store buys 300 feet of nylon rope. The store sells the rope by the inch. A customer can purchase 40 inches of the rope for $1.60. The store sells all of the rope and makes a profit of $54. How much did the store pay for the rope in dollars per inch? Problem number 5. A hardware store buys 300 feet of nylon rope. The store sells the rope by the inch. A customer can purchase 40 inches of rope for $1.60. The store sells all of the rope and makes a profit of $54. How much did the store pay for the rope in dollars per inch? So we first need to find the unit price. So we're going to take the $1.60 and you divide by 40. And so you'll see that it costs 4 cents per inch. 4 cents per inch. We're then going to take the 300 feet and multiply it by 12 because there's 12 inches in a foot, and you should get 3,600. So now we're both in inches. We're in 300 feet, and now we're in inches. So we take the total amount that the customers buy, 3,600, and we're going to multiply it by 0.04 because that's how much they paid for it. And you should get $144. So now the customers paid $144. The store bought it for $54, and so they paid $90. Now, last part. The store paid $90 for their rope, to buy the rope. We then have to do it per inch. So we're going to take that $90 and we're going to divide it by our 3,600 inches, and you should get 0.025 per inch.